Salams, and thank you for joining me today on the Study Secrets. Are you all ready? Get the children together, get your grandkids together, all the school kids and university students. Even if you're a professor and lecturer, let's refresh our memory. I'm doing this brain series on Study Secrets, something that they did not teach us at school. Unless you are one of those wealthy ones and you went to the top schools and they taught you everything. I was not so fortunate. I went to a government school. I'm happy, alhamdulillah, not complaining. And I studied throughout my life, and I love the human brain, and I'm sharing my knowledge. Please share with everybody. I want to share with the poor people, with those in rural villages. If you are struggling, I want to share this with those who don't have money, who are struggling through life, because these are secrets which people don't generally share with you, and then you wonder why people become so successful. So I'll be sharing with you study secrets. So lesson number 1, we did SQ3R. Lesson number 2, we did a semantic tree as explained to us by Elon Musk, and today again by Elon Musk. The key to success in life, as what Elon Musk says, is reading. And I cannot emphasize that so much. Reading. Please remember, read. So exam study lesson number 1. This is a secret not only for your exams, but this is a secret for life. If you want to be successful in life, read. The more you read, the more your dendrites in your brain go. The difference, if you don't read, then think of a tree that has got no leaves, like a tree in winter that has got no leaves. But the more you read, you start developing green leaves and roses in your brain. So your brain becomes a wonderful and beautiful botanical garden that got such nice fragrance. It doesn't matter what you read. Read, even if you read half a page. Go, if you're waiting for in a doctor's queue, read something. Open the newspaper, read something. Fill your brain with good information. Right. So, please, lesson number 3. Read again. In this today's world of social media and technology, we just want quick videos and we forget it. Please read. Reading improves your brain power. So please, this is coming from Elon Musk. He says his secret is reading. He is to start reading from a very young age. At the age of 9 years, Elon Musk read the whole Encyclopedia Britannica. Okay, so you must read. People don't become wealthy overnight. It requires hard work, and the key to that is read. So please read. Who else is telling us to read? God commands us to read. God says read. The Creator, the God most merciful who created you, is telling you read. God is telling you read. Okay, why? Here we read. In those in brain lesson number 37. You remember brain lesson number 37? The Quran tells us read. Ikra. The very first command from God, most merciful, read. And as a doctor, I tell you, reading is a vitamin tonic for the brain. So, if you're going to listen to the doctor, today I'm giving you a prescription. Prescription is very easy. You see, doctor is saying, here's a prescription. Read. Reading is a vitamin tonic for the brain. Okay, so next time you get hungry when you eat food, say, my brain is also hungry. Yeah, my corpus hunger. I want to eat something. I want to fill my brain with knowledge. Whenever you fill your stomach with food, fill your brain with knowledge. Okay, so what does Elon Musk say about reading? Very briefly, Elon Musk says, I started reading from young. I read the encyclopedia at the age of 9 or 10 years. Did you read the encyclopedia when you were 9 or 10 years? No. I also didn't read it. Let me ask another question. Have you read the encyclopedia in your whole life? Forget 9 or 10 years. Even if you're today 60 years old or 70 or 80, even if you're 90 years old, ask yourself the question, have you ever read the encyclopedia? Yes or no? Okay. I'm not going to answer that question. You answer it. So Elon Musk says that boredom led to lots of reading. I read thousands of books, novels, philosophers, great minds. You see, he was reading, he was studying great minds. What made them successful? He read philosophers, Socrates and all these great philosophers. And look at this very important thing. I was trying to figure out the meaning of the universe, the meaning of life. What is our purpose of life? This is Elon Musk. So while you are studying for your exam, ask yourself the question, what is the meaning of life? Why am I studying? What do I want to get out of it? What is the purpose of my studying? If I want to become a doctor, why am I studying? Why am I studying anatomy? Why am I studying biology? Why am I studying zoology? You need to have that bigger purpose to say, God most merciful has sent me here for a purpose. What is my goal? Am I going to be the number one doctor in the world? Or am I going to be the number one carpenter in the world? Or am I going to be the number one plumber in the world? Find out for yourself what is the meaning of life. And this is what Elon Musk did from a young age. He started asking, what is the meaning of life? What is the purpose of our existence? And Elon Musk, he's got a degree in physics and in economics, and he says he loves physics in a way. Physics helps us understand the nature of reality. Physics is very precise, is analytical, it's a scientific method, it's precision. You can't play around with physics. It's precision, it's logical, it's analytical. So physics helps us understand how things work and the application of that. Physics gives you analytical thinking. And then this is a very important point which Elon Musk says, as a kid I kept asking, what is the meaning of life? And his philosophy, Elon Musk's philosophy is never give up. You're going to find challenges. He found so many challenges in Tesla. He found challenges in SpaceX when he's sending the rockets to Mars and to the moon and in space. And he says he found difficulties, but the philosophy is never give up. So today's lesson, very briefly in summary, today we did with brain lesson number 3, which is read, which is also what the Creator most merciful, God most merciful has said, read. So we as South Africans are going to go start reading. From today, we're going to win all the international competitions. Join me, please focusing on the rural kids in South Africa. We need to get going. I mean, if rich kids can go to fancy school, yeah, good luck to them. I got no problem with them. If you are wealthy, please go to the top schools. You must invest the best education you can. Go to the best schools, buy the best textbooks, go to the best laboratories, go to the best universities in the world. Thus, you must invest in your brain. Invest in your brain. So if you can afford it, go to the best. But if you can't afford it, please join me with these lessons. I'm sharing with you secrets. And please let me know your comments. So please subscribe to my channel. Help me grow my channel. To remind you, I've got spinal disability, home invasion, 3 bullets, stroke. But I'm sharing knowledge. I want to help South Africa. I love education. I love knowledge. So if you're a teacher, if you're a student, if you're a university, you're struggling, please join me with the study secrets. So like, comment, share this with other people. Share it with the poor people. Share it with the disadvantaged schools. Share it with those people who don't have access to higher education or don't have access to good. Tell them to join. Tell them to subscribe. Follow these lessons and embrace it into your life. Please, we need to get South Africa going. And please remember, finally, here's what I say, but to remind you and mainly to remind myself. Okay, this is to remind myself that disability is not an inability. Okay, no matter what your difficulty is in life, if you don't have money, or if you don't have good looks, or if you don't have good cars, if you don't have good house, or if you don't have anything you are short of, maybe you're sick, you're not too well, never regard that as an inability. Don't regard your skin color as an inability. It is actually a strength. Okay. And then Sir Edmund Hillary, when he conquered Mount Everest, he said, it is not the mountains we conquer, it is ourselves. The mountain is one thing, but you got to be mentally tough here. You got to be strong here. Yes, you must exercise, you must train. But if you're not mentally strong here, you're not going to conquer Mount Everest. Okay? And then don't quit. Don't quit. When things go difficult, as they sometimes will, that poem we read so often, never give up, keep on fighting. The struggle, keep on struggling. Life is difficult. Okay, you must accept it. Life is difficult. No one said life is easy. I mean, life is only easy in heaven. If you're on earth, it means life is difficult. We're going to have tests and struggles. But you don't give up. You must be mentally strong. Yeah. If you're going to be weak, you're going to drop. You must be mentally strong. Focus on the positive things. Take the negative things out. Focus and take the toxins out. And Alhamdulillah, we always end with praise be to God. And my favorite song is Bright Place, Rugby, Sunny Skies and BMW. Alhamdulillah, may your life be filled with barakah and blessings. Stay well, look after yourself. Please, I'm appealing to you, if you know of any disadvantaged schools, please tell them to subscribe. Please share it with them. Is it the right way around? Please share it with them. Tell them to watch these programs. I'm sharing Study secrets. Please, I'm sharing secrets of how to study, how to pass your exams, how to achieve in life, no matter what you are doing. Not only study secrets, but also life secrets, how to open a successful business. But to open a business is very difficult. Elon Musk say when you open a business, it's like you are eating glass. That's how difficult it is. Everything looks rosy, but we're going to be mentally strong. We're going to share ideas. Please subscribe and join, and see you in the next lesson. The next lesson is what? Next lesson is number 4. Elon Musk is explain to us why people fail. See you in the next lesson. Stay well and look after yourself.